guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix front-facing camera on HP laptop not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing you could do is to basically check if there are any updates for Windows. Now, at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go ahead and click on the search icon here and just type in the following, which is going to be update. Now, click on check for updates. Now, it should open up your settings here, and what you need to do is you just need to click on check for updates. Now, if there are any updates, make sure to install that. So this might take a while, so in this case, for a while, you could browse the internet, but once it's done, go ahead and restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is to basically uninstall the driver itself and let it install the update, or in this case, reinstall itself. So in order for you to do that, you need to go to the bottom left of your screen and you want to search for the following, which is in this case is going to be Device Manager. Now from here, open it up. And from here, what we need to do is that we need to look for our camera. Now this might load up pretty slowly, so just wait for it to pop up. So it's just loaded in mine. And from here, what we need to do is we need to look for our camera. Now you can see it in one of the categories here. So in this case, you want to go to the top section here, look for imaging devices, open it up, and you want to go ahead and right click on your HP camera, and you want to go ahead and basically update it first. Now in this case, it will ask you two options. So you could choose browse your computer here or search automatically for drivers. You could choose search automatically for drivers here and just wait for it to install the latest driver. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do here is you want to right click on it and you want to go and click on uninstall device. Now, if it asks you if you really want to uninstall, just click on uninstall. Now, once you've uninstalled this, what you need to do is you need to restart your PC. Now, restarting your PC actually initiates the process of checking for hardware changes, which in this case, if they found that your camera is not installed, it will look for the driver itself and automatically install it for you. Now, in this case, if this does not work, it is recommended that you visit the official website for HP and look for the driver itself. So you could go to support.hp.com here and you could go and sign in into your account, and you can even enter the serial number and product number or product name here, and basically you should be able to see the installer or software that is associated for that specific laptop. Now also, another thing that you could do here is to basically try draining your laptop. Sometimes draining the whole battery or the whole power for your laptop can actually solve a lot of issues. Like for example, you might want to leave your laptop until the battery actually dies. Now in this case, once the battery is drained, what you need to do is you need to wait for a few hours, like maybe a whole day after it's been fully drained, and you want to go ahead and restart it. So by pressing press and holding the power button for 10 seconds, and when it's actually started, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those works, it means there might be deeper issues with your laptop. It might mean that your actual camera is not working anymore, or there are going to be like hardware issues itself. So you won't be able to fix it yourself. You need to have a professional check it for you. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.